Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Guerra and this is going to be my video assignment for class Foundations of Communication. So since my last name begins with a G, the module that I was chosen to go over was Module 2, and the concept that I chose was the halo and horns effect. And I chose this effect because it's very interesting and it's something that we do in our everyday lives even if we're not aware of it. So, by textbook definition, the halo effect occurs when initial positive perceptions lead us to view later interactions as positive, and the horn effect occurs when initial negative perceptions lead us to view later interactions as negative. So, I thought that this definition was a little wordy, so I found an alternative definition online. So, put simply, the halo and horn effect is when our first impression of somebody leads us to have a biased, positive, or negative opinion of their work or company. A positive first impression of somebody leads us to overlook their negative characteristics or treat them more favorably than others. And of course, this can happen vice versa as well. So a negative first impression of somebody can lead us to overlook their positive characteristics or treat them a little less favorably than others. So this is my take on the concept. The halo and horns effect is the initial first impression, which can either lead to somebody liking you or them disliking you, and this can cause a chain of events deciding on either one that it is. So this is going to be a detailed explanation by me. So let's say that you and I work in the same company, and this is you, and we're meeting each other for the very first time. So we decide to have a conversation, and we're just having a little chit chat, and you decide that you like me. And I get your seal of approval. And that makes both of us very, very happy. So now I have the halo effect on you. So pretty much if I am underperforming at my task or if I'm not doing so great at something, you subconsciously overlook that. And you don't really see it because I have the halo effect on you. So let's say that it's our first time meeting our other coworker, and you explain to them, Taylor, they're really good, a really good coworker, and they're really good at what they do, even if it's not true, just because I have that halo effect on you. So since you told that to that other person, I get the seal of approval from the both of y'all. So now I have the halo effect on both you and the other coworker. But what were to happen if you and I actually didn't have that good of a conversation? So let's say, once again, that you and I are having our first chit-chat, and I make you upset, and I get your seal of disapproval. Neither one of us are going to be very happy at that point, but let's say that I was still a really good employee. You're going to overlook those things because you dislike me. So let's say we're meeting our other coworker again, and you told them, you know what, Taylor just isn't cutting it. They're underperforming in all their tasks, even though I'm actually doing the opposite, and I'm really good at what I do. You choose to overlook that because I have the horns effect on you at this point. And since you told to that other person, the both of y'all are going to say that I'm just honestly not that good of a worker. So hopefully my explanation of this was able to get y'all to understand this a little bit more. And I'm sorry if there were some technical difficulties. For some reason, it wasn't wanting to record all that well. But thank you so much, everybody, and I hope that this helped y'all understand the halo and horns effect concept a little bit better.